Okay, so this is DaVinci Resolve. So DaVinci Resolve is a one-stop post-production solution. You can do cut page, edit, you can do the entire editing, you can do fusion visual effects, then color grading, audio post-production, then deliver. So everything in one software. So you bring in footage inside Resolve and take it out as a proper final output. So Resolve can do HDR, Dolby Vision HDR. You can output to Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon Prime, your YouTube, DCP Cinema, everything in one package. So the beauty of this is available for free of cost. Resolve is free of cost. You can download from website. All upgrades are free. There is no time limit, no 3 days, 7 days trial. All you can use it forever. And we have a paid version. So paid version, if you're satisfied with the free version, you can go for the paid version. There are a lot of AI tools which will solve a lot of problems in minutes and save a lot of your time. And our paid version is also not on subscription basis. It is like one-time purchase as of now, as of today.
This is the latest version.
So we have the Resolve 20. So all the upgrades are free. So for people who have bought a Resolve like 10 years, 15 years back, everybody is using all the upgrades free of cost with no penny.
This keyboard is the latest version.
Yeah, keyboard is the latest version. We have only two keyboards are available. One is this editor keyboard. We have a speed editor which is costing around 35,000. So that also comes with the software free of cost, the studio version. So
This is the original MRP or discount rate?
no, this is MRP.
MRP discount rate?
Discount rate we have to check with the partners.
Okay.
So then we have a color grading panel over here. So this is the most affordable color grading panel right now. So it's around 57,800. This one doesn't come with the software, but you can do your basic color correction. It works with free version, it works with iPad, and you can use your primary and a bit of secondary controls as well.
To show the...
Okay, so this is your lift gamma gain. Let me show something like this from here. So this is lift gamma gain. So I can increase the brightness.
Oh, okay.